Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful woolen flower with pencil, wool and beads. First, wrap around the wool on the pencil for about 40 times. Attach needle at the section of the wool, then sew and secure both sides. After that, attach thread beads and secure each bead one at a time. Now, follow along as I do that. At this point, put the woolen design out from the pencil, then make the little designs 6 pieces and join them together to make a beautiful woolen flower. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Attach a medium-sized bead right at the center of the woolen flower to make it beautiful and seamless. Thanks so much for watching and see you all in my next one.